Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn about flipped learning, an innovative approach to education. A flipped classroom reverses the traditional learning environment by delivering instructional content outside of the classroom, moving activities like projects and homework into the class. In a traditional classroom, students learn at school and do homework at home. In a flipped classroom, they learn at home and work at school. At home, students watch lectures at their own pace and engage with peers and teachers online. In class, they participate in activities that reinforce their learning with the help of the instructor. Class time is now available for student-centered learning activities, inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, collaborative work, and teacher-assisted learning. The four pillars of a flipped classroom are a flexible environment, a learning culture, intentional content, and professional educators. In a flipped classroom, pre-classroom content helps students remember and understand, while classroom activities focus on applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. To implement a flipped classroom effectively, communicate its rationale, provide incentives, ensure clear connections between activities, and utilize familiar technologies. Teachers create learning conditions based on questioning, guide students, interact one-on-one, correct misunderstandings, and individualize learning. Teachers also use suitable technological equipment, create interactive discussions, increase student participation, share lecture videos, and provide feedback. Students take responsibility for their learning, watch lecture videos before class, learn at their own speed, interact with teachers and peers, and participate in discussions and teamwork. The flipped classroom promotes student ownership of learning, student-centered learning, collaboration, accessibility, cooperative learning, and efficiency. However, it requires addressing the digital divide, preparation and trust, extra work for teachers, and potential increased screen time for students. In a traditional classroom, students learn from lectures and consolidate understanding after class. In a flipped classroom, they prepare before class and engage in activities during class to consolidate learning. So, that's all about flipped learning. Thank you for attention. Have a great day ahead. Please like, share, and subscribe.